Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. That's right, I'm still here. We're hosting OmniCamp. It's almost over. I'm having a great time here. The Omni campers are just killing it. And of course, I miss my OmniAcs. And I am here to tell you about something very exciting. Before we get into this video, let me see if I can explain. Here's what we're looking at. There is an OMNIAC gathering in London this Tuesday, being tomorrow, if you're seeing this video on Monday, November 19th, at the Freemasons Arms. It's 32 Downshire Hill, London, NW3 1NT. It's in Hempstead. There's a few of the Freemasons Arms. This one is in Hempstead. I will be there from about 3:30 local time on, and Omniacs from all over Europe are going to come meet me. Make sure you do too. I am in London. This is your chance to meet with me. And boy, am I excited to meet my Omniacs from Europe. Remember, it's at the Freemasons Arms, 32 Downshire Hill, London, NW3 1NT, and it's the one in Hempstead. There's a phone number here of the Freemasons Arms place. If you'd like to call it for directions, go right ahead. Contact me. You know you can get me in any way, shape, or form. You can send me an email at futuresanalyst@gmail.com. You can go to my site, Live with Oscar, and find me. Go to my trading room and try to find me. Call me on my phone. Let me know that you're coming out. I am so much looking forward to meeting my Omniacs in London. Now, let's go to work. This video coming at you on our Sunday night for trading Monday. That would be November 18th, 2024, video number 2829. Remember the risk involved in trading. This is a very risky game. Kids, put your stops in, put them in first. Anything can go wrong in this game, so put stops in before you trade. Dow Jones Industrial Average Daily Bar. Check this out. We hit the top of this channel. As you can see, just about every time you get to the top of that channel, you've got yourself a problem. All right, top of the channel, down we go. Top of the channel, down we go. Top, down, top, on our way down. So that's what the Dow Jones Industrial Average looks like. Let's go take a look at something else, though. I think you'll find something interesting here. Let's see. I think this is the one I want to show you. You know what? We'll do it this way. I need my glasses. Now I can show you what was coming up next. The double top in NASDAQ, kids. Since that double top has been made, look at the pullback. When we see a double top, we sell a double top. How many years have you been hearing that from me? Once again, proof in the pudding. NASDAQ has this massive rally. Where does it go? Double top. What happens next? The pullback begins. Pretty strong. Look at your E-mini S&P. Traders in the E-mini S&P, you know what? You gotta do a round of applause on this. The E-mini S&P hits our year-end target of 60.55. That's 60.53, 25, but that's enough. You know what I'm saying? Look when I called this thing. You want to see something insane? Look at this. I called for the market to get up to 60.55 when we were here at the 4700 area in the E-mini S&P in January. That's when I derived this target. You guys have known about it. It's been on my whiteboard for a long time. And up we go. All year, all year. Where do we go? Smack bam into the Omni target. Let me ask you a question, traders. Who else can do that? Who do you know that can do this? Now, we're not done yet, because it got even prettier while I've been here in London hosting OmniCamp. Take a look at this next one. And once again, put on my binoculars. I'll make sure I get you the right chart. Ah, there we are. Traders, look at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Not only did the ES go all the way up from the 4700 area, all the way to 6,000 6,055. I was going to say 6,000 double nickel. Well, that's a floor term. 6055. Not only did S&P get there? The Omni target in Bitcoin of 85,000 was hit. Come on, traders, is that not insane? I mean, really, who gets to make these calls and be right like that? The Omni is fantastic. You could be part of this whole Omni crazy circus. All you have to do is go to livewithoscar.com and hang out with me in my free live trading room. Traders, don't forget OMNIAC gathering in London this Tuesday. If you're watching this on Monday, it is tomorrow here in London. The Freemasons Arms, the one that is the Freemason Arms on 32 Hillshire, on 32 Hillshire, excuse me, on 32 Downshire Hill, because there are two of them, or maybe three. So you want to make sure you go to that one, which is in Hempstead. Make sure you know that, and hopefully you'll come join me. Make sure you call us, get in touch with us. This is not my number. This is the number of the restaurant. If you're going to call me, you guys already know my number. Give me a call. All right, traders. So that's about it for now. I hope these markets continue to do what they're doing. I hope the Omni continues to rock it. And I can't wait to meet all of you on Tuesday here in London. Please make sure you come out to meet me. This could be our only chance to get together. I will see you then. Traders, remember this. Stop, so rock and roll traders, I will see you all at livewithoscar.com, and hopefully I will see lots of you in London at the Freemasons Arms. Make sure that you go to the one in Hempstead, and I hope to see you there. Good night, Omniacs. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you on the other side.